Hey, welcome back, all my spooky friends. Yes, it's been a minute, but welcome to my Halloween house tour. And if this is something you'd like to see, then just keep watching. Okay, here we are. We're outside, and it was such a cool, rainy day that day. But of course, I always have my front stairs decorated for every holiday or every season. And this guy here is the total Halloween vibe. You have to see him at night. I'll show you on later in this video, but we're obsessed. All right, let me take you inside. You can see through the little windows here. Oh, my sweatshirt, Target. Love the mat. Yes, go away. But these ghosts, I did a reel on Instagram. So if you want to see how I made them, it was a very affordable, fun way to make those ghosts. And look I'm totally into the ghosts this year. I don't know what it is, but I found these guys on Instagram and they are the cutest things ever. Their legs can like crimp down or you can stand them up. So cute. Candles all from Amazon. That ghost also from Amazon. I love my Bath and Body Works candles and more of the flickering candles, all from Amazon. All the bats, love the bats, the witch hats, all again from Amazon. Oh, here's my island. This spooky skeleton guy came from Michael's. This is like a total like setup for Michael candy vibe with the witch's cauldron smoking in the background and all the spiders. Oh, and my haunted house candle from Disney World. And yeah, these glasses, love from Target. And some eyeballs and some bloody little vials to drink. Cheers. This Brum, yes, drives the dogs insane. It moves on its own. But all right, how about my Mickey skeleton? Is she not the best? So here's my dining room table. We set it up this year with these guys, these skeleton guys. There's my Bath and Body Works candle again. Candelabra came from Michael's. All like the spider web effect, all came from Michael's. Look at these big spiders all in my chandelier. Creepy crawling all the way through. I love my dining room table this year. It was so much fun setting this up. Oh, don't you just love that hand? Look at he crawls on his own. More creepy moss with, look at the rats and the eyeballs. Some vintage medicine bottles with more skeletons. I love those bottles. Those are true medicine vintage bottles. But we have some creepy mice. And, oh, that glass came from Trader Sam's Disney World. Spooky treats. More moss and spiders. Look at my skeletons. I just love her. I love her. We move her all around the house. She's having some eyeballs in her Target glass. Reading a little book about stolen art. But they are so much fun, these two guys together. He has on a Mickey hat. I don't think I show it, but mini ears, and he's got on his Mickey hat. But they are a total vibe. And look, he's drinking a rat and an eyeball and some more bloody vials. And there's a little skeleton crow. This is the mantle in my kitchen, which is all, again, skeletons. That's Liquid Luck from Harry Potter. It came from Universal the last time we were there. Bloody vials, all from Michael's. All these skeletons came from everywhere. Dollar store, Michael's. Yes, even my fish tank. Oh, and Dolly has on her Halloween sweater. That mat, I think, was Target with the spider webs on it. That sweater's a little tight on her this year. But I'll take you into my living room next. That sign actually came from the dollar store. It's so good, really. The witch hats, all from Amazon. I just hang them from the ceiling. They're so fun. And they're so like an inexpensive way to really set the Halloween vibe in your house. And this little corner, I just have some little pumpkins. Oh, I got them through the years from Target and Michael's, little felt pumpkins. This is all like Disney over here. Bath and Body Works candle. Oh, that apple one smells so good. Those are like Disney cells and artwork from Disney World. And of course, if you didn't know already, we love Mickey over here. I copied the wreath from Magic Kingdom, made it myself. All the garlands came from Michael's. The pumpkin, look at him at night. So cool. The Mickey pumpkin I got on eBay. But this still goes with the pumpkin theme I have going on in my living room. I made that little autumn arrangement out of all dried flowers. Of course, the McDonald's Happy Meals. Have you guys got them yet? You have to get them. I hear they're selling them on eBay for like crazy money. Go to Party City. They have them. Those little metal tin ones came from Amazon, but all these pumpkins came from Target. Jack Skellington is Disney World. My little witch feet ended up upside down. Zombie. That swag is so old, I don't even know where I got it from. But my mantle is all pumpkins. I love these votive holders. I got them from Amazon, and they're like that copper color. Mickey and Minnie, of course. More pumpkins. Mickey Boo, Disney. And I don't know if you noticed on my TV, the screensaver is Halloween. Some of our favorite Halloween books. These come from Usborne, and Michael loves them. They're interactive, pop up. It's like the only books he'll sit down long enough to really read. And these are the Halloween pop-up ones. They are just so... Look at this guy, Dracula. Aha. He loves it. This is his favorite book right now. But back here in this little corner, the little kitty was Michael's. And then I have some more little pumpkins over here, sticking with my pumpkin orange theme. The trees came from Target. Another little pumpkin. The kitty was Michael's. More little dried flowers. Hey guys. Oh, Mikey says hi.
Hi guys. Hi. You don't see a ghost?
A ghost? And
just smack the like button on the squad.
Oh, wow. More pumpkins. I have like a pumpkin skeleton theme this year. We have to have hot chocolate. We love... Look at that skeleton spoon. Amazon. Chocolate bomb came from Target along with the ghost mug. And this is the living room at night. We have the pumpkin. Look at him. It is so cool when you dim the lights. And there's the screensaver. It's right on YouTube. Like everybody has those expensive TVs, the Samsung frame TVs. There is my jack-o'-lantern outside at night. Is he not the best? He's like 15 feet tall.
Yeah.
And he moves.
You like guys. Good.
He is so good. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you continue to follow and stay tuned for more.